Tell us, how do you expect him to live?
I mean, I'm here for the first time actually, so I think my expectations are whatever. Um, I have no expectations actually in the sense that I don't know what's about to happen, but I'm very honored to be invited. And being a woman of the industry and being self-made, I'm so happy that we are going to celebrate women tonight and women who are a lot more veteran than me, and I'll be very happy to see us celebrate their achievements, and just happy to be here.
How fun it is to have such kind of awards for women, which is dedicated to women.
It's
You
I
are
think
an
it's
independent singer, as we all know.
right.
Yeah, tell us something.
I think it's really awesome that it's very important, firstly, that women lift women, because I feel like they're worst enemies. And I think that it's really important that we celebrate each other and lift each other and understand that, there's empowerment in that, and not just men celebrating women and just creating events out of it. I think the fact that I'm a woman here supporting other women and I'm not here for myself um, is more meaningful than being here for my own self. So I think that's the most important thing.
How many songs you are expecting from your side?
Songs? I didn't know I was supposed to sing today.
For upcoming days, anything coming up? Anything?
Well, yeah, there's always music coming out. I think tomorrow or day after tomorrow, there is a song that's releasing, which is actually, well, not really about women, but about sometimes the anger inside women. So, but it's in Bangla. But of course, I keep doing different languages: Bollywood, non-Bollywood, everything. So you just have to wait and watch.
Yesterday, Pushpa 2 trailer came out.
Right.
Seeing it.
I haven't seen it. I just literally flew down from a show. Yesterday I was doing where was I? I was in Ahmedabad. Okay, yeah. But I've been traveling for shows, so I haven't seen the trailer yet. But one of my friends has sung in it, and I know that. I think my friend Nakash has sung a song in it because I saw it in his feed, in my Instagram feed. So I'm gonna go and watch it after. Why are you asking me all about men at this event?
Rashmika. Let me ask about Rashmika.
What do you want to know? How will I?
Let me ask about Rashmika. We have seen the new look of Rashmika.
No, as I said, I haven't seen it yet.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.